Welcome back to the channel and to another deep dive powered by the Infinity Signal. Today, we're taking a closer look at Litecoin, LTC/USD, where a quiet buildup beneath the surface is setting the stage for what could become the next major wave. Starting with the Heikin Ashi structure, the chart is stabilizing. After October's pullback, Litecoin is showing controlled re-entry from buyers between the $97 and $100 range. Notice the consistent green bodies and shorter wicks. That's not chaos, that's recalibration. Momentum is tightening. The market is preparing for its next move. The fast and slow-moving averages are now side by side, neither diverging nor collapsing. This is a neutral compression zone, the moment before expansion. When these lines finally separate again, the market will have chosen its direction, and the probability, as we'll see next, leans upward. Here's the Lindsey Trident structure, a descending P1, P2, P3 pattern, followed by a bullish projection at $123.41. That target isn't random. It represents the next geometric expansion window based on prior pivot velocity. In other words, the market has measured its recoil. The next strike aims higher. Now we get into the core of the system, the Infinity Signal stack. At the top, we have the 4-hour plus daily Infinity Signal. It's coming off a completed wave, flattening slightly but still holding bullish bias. This is the cool-down phase, where energy reloads for continuation. In the middle layer, the daily plus weekly Infinity Signal, the slope remains cleanly upward. This confirms active momentum transfer from short-term structure into mid-term strength. That's how localized rallies evolve into trend-level movement. And at the base, the weekly and monthly Infinity Signal. Still in its compression phase, but beginning to curve upward. This is where the foundation of macro inertia shifts, the earliest stage of a long-term reversal. When this layer fully locks in, the trend transitions from reaction to expansion. Up top, the Infinity Signal's Confluence map shows alternating 66% and 99% alignment windows. That pattern means 2 out of 3 timeframes are already synchronized. Short-term and mid-term are moving together, while the macro layer builds underneath. Once the weekly and monthly component locks in, this map will hold steady at 99%. That's the point when volatility turns into direction. So here's the summary. Litecoin is stabilizing after correction, consolidating above support. Momentum geometry shows compression before expansion. Short-term energy is cycling. Mid-term strength is aligned. Macro inertia is quietly turning. When precision meets patience, expansion follows. This is Litecoin, as mapped by the Infinity Signal, trading the future one alignment at a time.